Uh, Hello, welcome back, guys. So, in this video, I will be explaining two trades that I could have taken if I was in like my PG, okay, PG or home. But unfortunately, I was not in my PG. I was in my college, okay. So, let's move to the content, okay. So, basically, in this video, I will be first explaining Euro USD trade, the setup, okay. And the next one I will be telling on NASDAQ 100, okay, in the indices, okay. So today 21 April 21 March 2025, okay, this day. So basically you can skip uh, to I don't know what minute of the video, but you can skip until you see Euro, sorry, US 100 here, okay. So that could be the US 100 explanation of today, that is 21 March, okay. So basically what we are looking here is, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we are in a bull run, right? Yeah, basically we are in the bull run. So, and here it could have been a change of character, but it is just a liquidity sweep. Okay, no candle closed below this, so I'm also bullish. Okay, so basically, what today we should be looking at. You see, this is extra days low, 20th this day 2025. Okay, March. Just have a look at this low, okay, at 9 a.m. That is yesterday's low. 4 hour, we had this fair value gap. It went to that 4 hour fair value gap, got a good displacement downside, but was not able to take out this low. Okay, now I want you to go to dollar index. Okay, this was yesterday's low, that is yesterday's low. It was able to take out extra days. Today it was able to take out extra days low. Okay, so basically it forms something called SMT, smart money divergence. Okay, so euro is inversely proportional to US dollar index. Okay, if euro goes up, dollar goes down, and if dollar goes up, euro has to go down. That is the correlation between these two pairs. Okay, so if you are a math student, it's like an inversely proportional, like that. Okay, so basically you had this low, high, high taken out today, but today euro was not able to take out this low. Okay, it creates this SMT there. Okay, so I want to focus upon here. Okay, and for one more confirmation, this was yesterday's low. GU was able to take out yesterday's low. Okay, which again forms an SMT at 1 a.m. Not the time. Okay, 1 a.m. 1 a.m. That is New York local time. Okay, New York local time. So GU was able to take out yesterday's low, but and DXY also, dollar index was also able to take out yesterday's low, which gives or which tells which tells like which or what it tells or indicates to that euro has to go up. Okay, so basically for your eye to catch up, I will use this indicator. Okay, so market opens here. Today's okay, that is 21 March 2025. This was the high created, okay, today. And we had our midnight open here. That is midnight open. I have marked here. Okay. And price went below midnight open. And I have told you many times that I used to buy below midnight open and sell above midnight open. Okay. So basically, first, yeah, I was telling about in 1 hour chart. Okay. And we are going to 5 minute chart. Okay. What is this? Liquidity shift or a change of market structure shift. Okay. It was not a perfect market structure shift, but it's fine. We have three confirmation, two confirmation plus this small shift. I'll show you on Geo. Okay. After it was able to take out this 1 p.m. Okay. It's one market structure shift. Market structure shift. Geo it was able to take out this short time high. Okay. So what I could have do is you see this fair value gap. I could have directly under from here, making stop loss this way and targeting today's sell. That's a 6 hour trade. You could have perfectly get the trade. Okay, basically, and one more thing. Okay, let's say you missed this entry. Okay, you missed the entry from here. You could enter from here. How? How? Why should I tell like that? This was today's Asian look. Let's mark that down. Okay, that was today's low on GU. Okay, GBP USD. GBP was able to take out this low, which again forms an SMT here. Not the time. Okay, that is 425. And again, our GU was not able to take out that low. That is indicating don't want to go lower again. Lower. Okay. G was not able to take out this low. Sorry, U was not able to take out this low, but GBP take out this low. Okay. So, uh, 1 second. Okay, I just need to take out my not out my that. Sorry for the pause. Okay, I just want to mark out our 8:30 open price. Okay, so it's around 6 o'clock evening in India. Okay, so again, I was talking about you was able to not able to take out this low right here. Okay, but JBP was able to take out this low. Again, it creates an SMT. Let's no, it was also an dollar index was also fine. Okay, so let's say you were not able to get an entry from here. This candle. Okay, you could enter from here somewhere here. Okay. But I couldn't enter. Okay, I will just go to 1 minute and I will wait. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, the same time, given a market structure shift here, you need to keep in mind we are just below the midnight opening price. Okay, and I will wait. I will wait. It just rallied up, created a short time high, again went down, rallied up, which makes a relative equal highs. Okay, now the place begin. Okay, you see these three consecutive down candles. So these two down candles in 1 minute. Okay. Basically, if even if it didn't came to this low, I could have taken an entry from here like that. Stop loss right below this. Okay, and target the same high. That is today's high. That could be the two entries that you could find today. Okay. So again, this is a 6 hour trade, and the previous one I thought was around, let's say, okay, 6.70, almost 13 hour you will get easily for today. Or if you are risking $100 risky trade from here, which could have given you $600 when it come up here, and again $100 risk here, which could make out $1,300, $1,300 a day. But anyhow, none of this I was not able to take out because I was in college. So that's the sad reality of my life. Okay, now let's say what's going to happen in New York. Okay, so we have this 1 hour fair value gap, liquidity sweep. There is one 4 hour. Okay, this 4 hour fair value gap. I was I was hoping that the market could go from here somewhere like this, us to tap into this 4 hour fair value gap and just even should give a market structure shift here and directly go and take out this low. Okay, that is my actual plan today. Okay, like this. This is what I'm expecting to be happen on New York. Okay, New York section on 21st March 2025. Okay, I think you got it. It could be above 8:30 and it could be above the midnight opening price. Okay, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Okay, and let's move to US 100. Okay, this was also a fine trade that I could have taken today. Today, but unfortunately, I was in college. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry about all these drawings. Please forgive me. Okay, we have our extra day slow here. We had this 1 hour fair value gap here, with which is sorry, this 1 hour fair value gap facing us. Okay, so for your eye to catch up, this was what Asian section. You had this what 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, just you have just 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, fine. Wait a second. Wait a second. Let me remove all the shit. Fine. So I want you to basically we got tapped to that 1 hour fair value gap right here on 9 p.m. Okay. So this was our extra test low. Okay. What today I want to do is should have take out this low. That's basically yeah. It should could have taken out this low. Okay. And we have let's focus here. Okay. So that is our 1 hour fair value gap. This is this low. This low got taken out here. Or let's go to 15 minutes. This is at 1 hour fair value gap tap. A short time high here taken out and then it. So if you just look at closely here, okay, this is just short time high. Many sell stops would be here. Okay, so basically it took over the stops and went to this 1 hour fair value gap. And there is one more thing. Okay? And this is a new thing that I have about saying in this my YouTube channel. Okay, this is what higher high, a higher high. Okay, intermediate high, a lower high. This gives me an extra confirmation. This likely to go like down. Okay, or sell sides. So I just want you to focus on here. We have our midnight open price. This liquidity have been taken out, and if you just measure this high to this low, okay, this red dot line is the equilibrium point or midpoint of this displacement, okay. So anything above this midpoint is a premium area, okay, premium area, and below it's a discount. After it created this market structure shift from this low, it traded up to this premium array, okay, premium zone. And I'm just removing this, and let's see what all we have there. Okay, so we have this order block here. We have this order block here. We have this 15-minute fair value gap here, and we have this sell stops here. Okay, that's what we have till now. Okay, now the game begins. Okay, so if I was like to enter today, I could have entered from and there is one more thing. Okay, you see these three consecutive up close candle. This indicates a bearish order blocks. Okay, so even though I could enter from this 15-minute fair value gap, either if you are a beginner trader, you could risk or put your stop loss here, but I could have my stop loss here above this high. Okay, and what could be my target? That is today's low. Okay, today's Asian section low. Oh, sorry. I think it's yesterday's London section. New York's low. Okay. Uh, my target would be this low right here. Okay. Or you don't want to take an entry like that. What I would do is go to 1 minute. It's an aggressive entry. Okay. This low, short time low, taken out. This 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. See, market came to that 1 minute fair value gap. That's gonna be your entry. That's gonna be your stop loss. And that's gonna be your this low right here is gonna be your sorry, not that low. This low, okay. This low right here is gonna be your target, okay. Okay. So that's what I could have entered for a better confirmation, okay. And there is one more thing, okay. If let's say you missed this entry and the 1 minute entry that I have shown just a few seconds, okay, few seconds ago. Again, just take the displacement. I just want you to from this high to this low. 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, just say here. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, this high to this low. Let's say you have missed entry here and that 1 minute entry. Okay, so the next entry is gonna be pretty much that won't give you a good R. Okay, so what do you have here? That was a bullish order block. Okay, but when it taken out this low, this go through this when market closes below this low and taken out this liquidity, it becomes a breaker, bearish breaker or bullish. Sorry, bullish breaker. Or okay, so when market comes to that bullish breaker, or you see this fair value gap, this fair value gap, you could end up there. Okay, what's gonna be a stop? This is gonna be a stop. That's gonna be your target. Anyway, you could get easy 3R. I think you have understand something from this video. Okay, so that was a good. And if you want to hold uh, some more, you could have trial your stop loss first here, second here, and you could target this low as well. This was extra day before extra day low, I think. So no, it was extra day low. Okay, you could target this low. Okay, you could have if you have patience. I think you understand the things that I have told today. So that's for the video today. I hope you guys find something good from this video. See you on the next video. Okay, and basically I have my balance is this thing. Today I have taken a random. This entry is fucking random. Okay, this was the real entry. This entry I took it from my college. Okay, that's you. That's why you see the quantity is so low. Okay, this was just a 1.5 hour. I just risk around $12 something like that. This was also this if I was in like kind of in my PG room or my home, this could have been like $400 this one and around $300 this trade. Okay, so unfortunately, well, no problem, guys. So I will do it on next. I think so. Okay. Uh, Thank you for watching. Okay. Goodbye.